Welcome, food lovers. Today we journey into the heart of Indian cuisine. Get ready for a culinary adventure. We're diving into the world of chicken tikka masala. It's a dish bursting with flavor. Imagine tender chicken pieces marinated in yogurt and spices. Then they're cooked to perfection. Finally, they're enveloped in a rich, creamy tomato sauce. Chicken tikka masala is a true crowd pleaser. It's a favorite in Indian restaurants worldwide. It's a symphony of flavors, captivating taste buds. It's a testament to the magic of Indian cooking. With its vibrant colors and aromatic spices, it's a feast for the eyes and the palate. This dish is more than just a recipe. It's a celebration of culture and tradition. Each ingredient tells a story. Each step in the cooking process is a time-honored tradition. Passed down through generations, it's a culinary legacy. So join me as we unlock the secrets of this beloved dish. Let's gather our ingredients and embark on this flavorful adventure together. Get ready to experience the true taste of India, one delicious bite at a time. The origins of chicken tikka masala are shrouded in mystery. There are many stories about its creation. Some say it was born in the Punjab region of India. Others believe it originated in the United Kingdom. Regardless of its birthplace, one thing is certain. Chicken tikka masala has captured the hearts and taste buds of food lovers worldwide. One popular theory suggests that this dish was invented in a British curry house. A chef, eager to please a customer, improvised. He used ingredients on hand. He combined tandoori chicken with a creamy tomato sauce. Thus, chicken tikka masala was born. It quickly gained popularity, becoming a British favorite. Another theory suggests that this dish has roots in traditional Indian cuisine. It might be a variation of butter chicken, a popular North Indian dish. Butter chicken features tender chicken cooked in a rich buttery tomato gravy. The history of chicken tikka masala may be debated, but its impact on the culinary world is undeniable. This dish is a symbol of cultural fusion and culinary creativity. It shows that food can transcend borders and bring people together. The heart of chicken tikka masala lies in its aromatic spices. Each spice plays a vital role. Together, they create a symphony of flavors. Let's delve into the world of these magical ingredients. Turmeric, with its warm, earthy flavor, is a staple in Indian cooking. It gives the dish its vibrant yellow hue. Cumin, with its earthy and slightly bitter taste, adds depth to the masala. Coriander, with its citrusy notes, brings a refreshing element to the spice blend. Garam masala, a blend of warm spices, adds a touch of magic. It typically includes cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and peppercorns. Ginger and garlic, with their pungent flavors, form the base of the marinade and sauce. They add warmth and complexity to the dish. Chili powder brings the heat, adjustable to your preference. Kashmiri chili powder adds a beautiful red color without excessive heat. These spices, when combined in perfect harmony, create the signature flavor of chicken tikka masala. They transform ordinary chicken into a culinary masterpiece. Section 4. Essential ingredients for authentic flavors. Creating an authentic chicken. Tikka masala requires a careful selection of ingredients. Each component contributes to the overall harmony of flavors. Here's a list of essential ingredients. For the chicken, tikka chicken boneless, skinless chicken thighs are ideal for their tenderness and flavor. Yogurt. Use plain full-fat yogurt for the marinade. Lemon juice. Adds a touch of acidity and helps tenderize the chicken further. Ginger garlic paste. A must-have for its pungent flavor and aroma. Spices. Turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, chili powder or Kashmiri chili powder, salt and pepper. For the tikka masala sauce, tomatoes. Use fresh, ripe tomatoes for the base of the sauce. Onions. Add sweetness and depth to the sauce. Cream. Heavy cream or coconut cream adds richness and a velvety texture. Butter. Enhances the flavor and creates a luxurious mouthfeel. Kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves, adds a distinct aroma and a slightly bitter note. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish and a pop of fresh flavor. These ingredients, when combined with the right techniques, will transport your taste buds straight to the heart of India. Section 5. Modern twists and variations. While the traditional recipe for chicken tikka masala is timeless, modern cooks have introduced exciting twists. These variations cater to different dietary preferences and add a contemporary flair. Here are some popular modern twists. Chicken tikka masala with coconut milk. Substitute heavy cream with coconut milk for a rich, creamy and dairy-free alternative. Paneer tikka masala. Replace chicken with paneer, Indian cottage cheese, for a delicious vegetarian option. Cauliflower tikka masala. Roasted cauliflower florets coated in the tikka masala sauce offer a healthy and flavorful twist. Sweet potato and chickpea tikka masala. A hearty and satisfying vegan option packed with nutrients and flavor. Slow cooker chicken tikka masala. A convenient and hands-off method that results in tender chicken and a flavorful sauce. These modern variations showcase the versatility of chicken tikka masala. They allow you to experiment with different flavors and ingredients while preserving the essence of this iconic dish. For more authentic recipes and culinary inspiration, be sure to check out our YouTube channel. Subscribe and join us on this delicious journey.